Hey there, friend. Welcome to today's chair yoga practice. Let's start by breathing. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. It's okay. You can close your eyes. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So if you have support here, sides of the chair, that's great. If not, you can use your knees. Take an inhale and look up. Open up the chest. Exhale, tuck the chin, round the back of the spine. Pull the back of the heart up, but tuck the chin down. Inhale, pull the front heart up, look up. Open the front ribs. Exhale, tuck the chin, pull the head down, pull the back of the heart up, but relax the shoulders. Pull the hands onto the knees. Inhale, pull heart forward, look up. Exhale, tuck the chin, crunch the core. Back of the heart comes up behind you. And we'll just keep this going nice and easy. Breath into the sky. Looking up, exhale, coming down. Back of the heart reaches up. 3 more rounds. Inhale, lift the heart up, look up. Exhale, bring it down, tuck the chin, drop the head, pull the shoulders down, and the heart goes up through your back. 2 more. Inhale, open the front, open the belly, the low ribs. Stretching the throat, eyes look up. Exhale, tuck the chin, drop the head down, pull into the legs or support wherever you are. 1 more. Inhale, exhale. Okay, come back to the middle. Let's do a twist. So reach your body to the left. The right hand can come to the left leg. Left hand comes behind you. If you're on a couch or something, you can do it from a couch, or if you're just on a chair, that's great too. So breathe in and look to the left and twist. Look your eyes to the left. Stretch your eyes. Inhale, 5. Exhale, twist. Look further to the left. 4. Breath in. Breath out. 3, breath in. Exhale, twist. Breath in. Press your arms into your support wherever it is and twist. Exhale. 2 more. Breath in. Press your arms to twist. Look to the left. Look at your left ear. Inhale. Last one. Exhale, twist, 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 twist. Bring it out and release. Slowly, slowly release back to the center. Take a breath in. And a breath out. Just relax. This will stir things up, of course, always. All of yoga and stretching, mindful practice will bring things to the surface. Don't bury them. You bury them for your whole life. Now is the time to rediscover what you've buried inside of your time capsule. Okay, left hand to the right knee. Right hand comes behind you to the chair or couch, whatever you got. 5 times or so. Breathe in. Twist to the right. Exhale. Look to the right. Inhale. Exhale. Twist. Inhale. Exhale. Twist. Look to the right. Turn your head to the right. A few more. Breathe in. Hold the position. Exhale, twist more, ring it out. Look over to the right. Let's go for 3 more. Breathe in. Twist it out, ring it out, look to the right. Stretch your eyes. 2, breath in. Twist it out, twist it out. 1 more, breathe in, get tall. Exhale to twist. Slowly release, slowly come back to the center. Inhale, up. Hands come up, reach up, lift up. Start to engage the feet and see without your hands, see where your strength is. So lean forward and see it. You can get up out of the chair without your hands. So lean forward, engage into the core, and then stand up. Inhale to stand up. Exhale, sit back into the chair. Keep the core tight, keep the hands up. 4 more. Breath in, lift up. Exhale. And if you're not able to do that, that's okay. Just see where you can go. Lean forward, hands stay up. Engage the core and just do your best. Even just a little pulse to lifting a couple times. If you got it, go 3 more. Two more. Maybe you're just doing a little pulse, engaging, practicing, training. Little by little, paso a paso. A little bit at a time, step by step. Okay, and come back to the center. Much love. Keep doing this video over and over again. You'll build strength, you'll build focus. Peace.